lost and opened fire. Security camera according to official police reports. The shooter fired multiple rounds. His kindness at least were heard trying to escape the building in fear. Witnesses described the scene as terrifying to the community and the nation. Tributes poured in from friends, family, and classmates. Brown University cancelled classes for several days following the shooting as grief and more mental health resources. Also weighed in saying that no system can prevent every attack of school and campus shooting in matters both for the families of the victims and accountability from system me to keep us safe. What do you think? Are you informative and want more true crime stories and investigation? Make sure to subscribe notification bell and upload it. On a cold December afternoon in 2025, a peaceful college campus in Rhode Island turned into a scene of chaos and tragedy. Students were studying for exams when suddenly gunshots rang out inside an engineering building, leaving two young lives tragically lost and many others wounded. This shocking shooting stunned the nation and left investigators racing for answers. What happened at Brown University and why does this case still raise questions today? Let's uncover it. Brown University is one of the oldest and most respected university in the United States. Located in Providence, Rhode Island, on December 13, 2025, a routine afternoon on campus suddenly turned into a nightmare. Around 4 p.m., inside the Bruce and Holy Engineering buildings, students were preparing for final exams when a man armed with the handgun entered a review session. Without warning, he opened fire. Security camera footage later showed a dark figure wearing black clothing and mask moving through the hallway before the attack. In moments, chaos broke out and many students scrambled for safety. According to official police reports, the shooter fired multiple rounds into the crowded classroom. Two students were killed in the attack. The first victim was Ella Cook, a sophomore student from Alabama who had dreams of becoming an engineer. The second was Muhammad Aziz Umrozakhouf, an Uzbek American student known for his kindness and passion for robotics. At least 9 others were injured and rushed into nearby hospitals. Some were hit by gunfire while others were hurt trying to escape the building in fear. Witnesses described the scene as terrifying. Students ducking under tables, hiding behind doors, and frantic calls to emergency services. Within minutes, campus security and local police arrived. Officers locked down the entire universities and began clearing buildings room by room. The Providence Police Department and along with the FBI and other federal agencies launched a full-scale investigation. Investigators collected surveillance footage from cameras throughout campus. Officials also released images of the suspects to the public, hoping someone would identify him. A reward of 50,000 was offered for credible information leading to an arrest. During the early days of the investigation, police briefly detained a person of interest but later released them when evidence did not connect them to the crime. The suspect remains unknown. The loss of Ella and Aziz sent shockwaves through the Brown community and the nation. Tributes poured in from friends, family, and classmates. Brown University cancelled classes for several days following the shooting as grief counselors and support staff were made available to students and faculty. Students described feeling unsafe and heartbroken. Many said they couldn't understand how such an act could happen on a peaceful campuses. Parents rushed to pick up their children, while others waited anxiously for news about wounded friends and classmates. Several weeks After the shooting, police confirmed they were continuing to follow leads. However, no suspect has been publicly identified or arrested. Authorities released several still images and sketches based on surveillance footage. Citizens were urged to come forward if they recognized the person. Despite these efforts, the case remains unsolved. Many questions still remain. First, who carried out this attack? What was the motive? And third, was the shooter connected to the university or was this random? These unanswered questions keep the case open and the public watching for new developments. The Brown University shooting reignited the national conversation about campuses, safety, and gun violence across the United States. Students and faculty asked how can campuses become safer. Students pushed for improved security measures, better emergency alert system, panic buttons in classroom, metal detectors at entrances, and more mental health resources. Experts also weighed in saying that while no system can prevent every attack, preparation and communication can save lives. With no official suspect, the internet became filled with theories. Some believed the shooter was a former student, others speculated about personal grudges. But law enforcement has stressed speculation matters less than verified evidence. Police continue to urge anyone with credible information to come forward anonymously. The community organized vigils and memorials for the victims, honoring their lives and reminding the world that work needs to be done to prevent similar tragedies. The Brown University shooting is more than just a headline, it's part of a larger pattern of school and campus shooting in the United States. Whether solved or not, every new detail matters, both for the families of the victims and for the safety of future generations. Each unsolved case reminds us of our collective responsibility to protect our communities and demand accountability from system me to keep us safe. What do you think happened that day? Do you believe the shooter was targeting specific individuals or was this random? Let me know your thought in the comments below. If you found this video informative and want more true crime stories and investigation, make sure to subscribe to Wrong Crime Stories channel. Hit the like button and tap to notification bell so you never miss an uploaded next video. Goodbye.